Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. The Sphinx is an ancient Egyptian creature that is mentioned in the story of Oedipus. In that story, Oedipus was trying to get into the city of Thebes, but the mighty Sphinx was blocking the entrance to the city. To get past the Sphinx, Oedipus had to answer this riddle.
What walks on 4 feet in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 3 at night?
If he answered incorrectly, he would be eaten. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the side profile of a person. This is how the character looks today. This character means person and is the answer to the Sphinx's riddle. It is used in these words, 男人, which means man, and 女人, which means woman. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. The character on the left is a variation of a character that means word. Mark Twain once said, "It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you're a fool than to open it and remove all doubt." This highlights the fact that you can know a lot about a person from what they say. This character means know. It is used in these words, 认识, which means to know, and 认为, which means to consider. Here's the next character. The line underneath the person symbolizes the middle or center. Everybody is unique because of the different life experiences that they have. And what sets them apart is the core or center of each person. This character means individual. It is used in these words, 那个, which means that one, and 这个, which means this one. Let's see another character. Now the character below means divide. A person may need to interpose between two individuals to introduce them to one another. This character means interpose or introduce. It is used in this word, 介绍, which means introduce or present. Let's see the last character. Now from here, we will add the character for field. Rice paddies and farming fields are divided by drains and mounds. Another word for the thing that interposes between or divides two farming fields is called a boundary. This character means boundary. It is used in this word, 世界, which means world. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or a good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.